Hi, Rainey with My Dream Boat Project, and today is going to be part 2 of an earlier video where I showed you a little bit about gluing plywood together and the West system epoxy that I use to make my glue mixture and put it all together. And you saw in that video how once I had the wood scarfed at an angle, and I put glue on this side, glue on that side, and I put them together, but you never saw what it looked like at the end. So right now I want to show you how it came out before, initially when it was all dried, and then after I sanded it. I believe I sanded one of them over here. So let's go ahead and show you that right now. Alright, so what I have over here is 2.5 sheets of plywood. So we have 20 feet of plywood all glued together. I scarfed them right there at that joint where you see the plastic and a little bit further up. What you probably not noticing is this is actually 6 sheets, okay? And here's the one I did. You can see how it's basically separated. This one here is a part, so it's split right down the middle. Okay, so it's about 2.5 feet wide by almost 20 feet long. And then there's the one underneath, which is the full sheet of plywood all the way across. Now the full sheet, I actually glued that one, sanded it down, get it all finished, and then I put another one on top and glued that one. There's just so much limited space in this garage, so I'm trying to do them all together. I had another piece over here too, a long, about a 1.5 foot piece that I did for a different part of the boat, but I already took that, and well, you can see this piece right here, where I actually already started to draft it. See the lines right there? Okay, and that goes all the way down there. So I've got some pieces already cut and glued, but I wanted to show you how it comes out. So this top piece, the piece on the further side here, you can see the plastic. I'm going to take the plastic off. This is what it looks like when it's first dried up. You can see it's kind of smooth. I put plastic on top of it, and I weighed it down with bricks and wood, and so it's nice and smooth actually. But once you sand it down, it comes out like this one here. So see, this is one piece of wood. You can't feel the difference, but you can see, well, I haven't sanded it down over here, but you can see where the scarf was going that way down. Okay, so let's go a little further down here. And over here you see, again, the sanded version. This one here was coming up a little bit too high, but I sanded it down smooth. And there is the raw version as soon as it got finished. And you can see when it gets pushed down, a lot of that glue filled in the voids and actually came out. But not a problem. I will sand that right down. It will be as smooth as this. So all I have to do now is, once I sand those down, I'm going to go ahead and do my drafting and start cutting out pieces just like I did there before. Very simple process, fun process, a lot of sanding, but that's what we do boats for anyways, is for the relaxation, for the stress reduction of just sitting there, sanding, playing music in the background, and thinking about fishing in the very near future. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe. Please share this with your friends. I want to build a great community here of people helping people to learn all about amateur boat building. Thanks for watching, and happy sailing. Bye-bye now.